Are you a developer looking for help to make your app or game successful on Google Play? Check out Google Play's Academy for App Success. Designed by Google for app and game developers, Play Academy offers free courses to help you master the Play console, analyze your app performance, stay on the right side of Google Play policies, and keep your users coming back for more. You can take individual courses or tackle bigger topics by following a learning path. Courses are self-paced and interactive. Tips and tricks, examples, and success stories help you learn key concepts quickly. You can test your skills with short assessments to make sure you got it down. When you pass, you'll earn an achievement badge to show your team and friends. Play Academy is open 24 hours a day, and courses are 100% free. You can log in and take courses anytime on any device. Sign in now with your Google account and start learning at g.co/playacademy.